Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find Last Goddess promo code. So first you go and you open your browser, then in the search bar you type Last Goddess promo code. You can add today of course to the search bar. Then you will see different platforms here, different websites. For example, we open this one in a new tab, we go down and we will see the new codes added from November 8th of November. Then you can test all the codes to see if they are still working or not. Also, you can try to visit the other websites. Maybe you can find different codes and codes working for other websites like Reddit, Pocket Gamer, Steam, Facebook, Yakbot, and other websites. And just like this, you can find the Last Goddess promo code. And make sure to visit all the websites and try different codes till it works for you. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.